Today we're going to learn how to hyperlink pictures and add action buttons to a PowerPoint presentation. So first what I want to do is I want to go to the tab labeled Transitions and then click. Then I'm going to go over to the right hand side and over where it says Advanced Slide, I'm going to unclick on mouse click and apply to all slides. And that way we've disabled the ability to click to the next slide because we want to be able to specify what each slide will do. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back home and I'm going to click on my first picture, the one on the left. Now if you'll notice, the objective is to click on the picture that shows the baseball players. So this picture is the baseball players. We want to link this picture to the slide that says correct because it is the correct option. So now that we've clicked on the picture, we're going to go to the Insert tab and click. And then we're going to the middle where it says Hyperlink and click on that. We want to make sure that it's on the Place in this document option. And then slide number 2 is the one that is correct. So that's what we want this picture to send them to. We'll click OK. And now this picture is hyperlinked to the correct slide. Let's go ahead and click on Correct Slide. Now we're going to add an action button. And how we're going to do that is we're going to, on the Insert tab, we're going to go to Shapes and click, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and we want the action button that will make them go forward. That's the one that kind of looks like a play button. Now let's hyperlink this play button to a slide, and since they picked the correct slide, we want them to go to the very end because they finished this presentation. And click OK and OK, and then you can position it wherever you want on the screen. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the middle. Now let's go back to the first slide, and we need to hyperlink the football player's picture. Let's click on the picture. We're going to go to Insert. In the middle, we'll go to Hyperlink. Make sure that you're in the Place in this document tab. And we're going to send them to slide number 3. That's the incorrect option because this is not the correct choice. We'll click OK. And now this picture is hyperlinked. Let's go to slide number 3. Now we need to add an action button. We're in the Insert tab. We go to Shapes, slide down all the way to the bottom. And what we want them to do is take a U-turn back to that question because they did not get the correct answer. They need to try again. Let's hyperlink to a slide, and we want them to go to the very beginning and try again. Click OK and OK. You can position this wherever you want it. I'm going to put it in the middle. And now we have hyperlinked both of our pictures to slides. So let's go to the slideshow, and this will show us if we've done it correctly. We'll go from the beginning. It says to click on the picture that shows baseball players. Let's go for our incorrect option first. Click on the picture, and now it's sent us to the incorrect slide. We can only click on the action button, and it's going to send us back to the beginning. Now let's try the baseball player's picture. We'll click on it, and it sent us to the correct slide. And we can only click on the action button, and that's going to send us to the very end where it says we've done what we need to do. And that is how you hyperlink pictures and how you add action buttons on your PowerPoint presentation.